All right, Cameron, here's a real quick overview of how to use WAMAP. Obviously, you have announcements here at the very beginning. Things you should check out are these links right here. It's a text resource and a video that I've made that describes how to type math things into WAMAP. As you go down here, by the way, how everything's organized, these are called blocks. They expand and collapse. So here is me collapsing all of them. Each of these can be clicked to expand the stuff inside of them. Course syllabus, course calendar that you have in the email are right here. Long story short, the fun action, which is already getting going here, is in the forums. This is where people are posting and asking questions. I'll tell you in a second how to post a question. The actual homework is all down here. The first homework is right here, mixed practice homework number 1. Here are some videos that are in this little mini block right here. Every block of homework is the same. You have a homework at the top, a quiz at the bottom, and then resources in between. Just to show you what the linear systems is the next one. If you look at this, is a homework at the top, quiz at the bottom, and all the resources in the middle. Okay, quick things. When you do the homework, you click on it. It doesn't look too fancy, but it's straightforward math homework. You type in your answers. You get 3 chances on each question. After you get it wrong 3 times in a row, there's going to be a button that appears that says click this to try a similar question. You actually get unlimited attempts, but only 3 attempts at each question. There's video help. These are YouTube videos that I've made or others have made that describe a very similar question to the one you're working on. How you can also get some support is obviously there's these videos that I've created and others have created here within the WAMAP here that describe some of the questions that are in the homework. There's a free textbook right here. This is my textbook called Triptych Algebra. You can use things like the manual. These are textbook sections that describe kind of bigger concepts that are important throughout the class. You can print these off all you want. The outline are just example problems. So for instance, clearing fractions here. These are just example description, pretty straightforward, what you'd expect from math examples. After you do all the homework, gone through all the resources that you need, you then take the quiz. When you hit the quiz, it says, hey, the time limit is going to start. You have 60 minutes. Once you hit OK, the timer starts, even if you stop working on the quiz. The quiz is submitted when the timer stops. You don't need to specifically submit the entire quiz. That's a super quick rundown to get you going. We should hang out and talk a bit about the class next week. All right, bye.